Hey, how have you been? So, I'm gonna talk about a topic which is kind of comparable, which is comparison. It is our friend or it is our foe. Like in your life or me also, we had compared a lot of things from everyone, whether it's our friend, either it's anyone, maybe someone just walking around you and you just compare himself or her with yourself. Then like someone who is making better video than me, someone at same age of me making money, someone who can communicate better, someone who can speak English fluently, someone who had a good grammar, someone who had good looks, and a lot of things we used to compare. But the real question is comparison really that bad? Or we make the comparison bad? Cause it can help also and it can make us ruin also. It can make us day good or it can make our day bad. It can make us to improve and it also can make us to quit the thing which we are doing. So today we will oh sorry I will tell you, or I will just give you my opinion that in that is comparison is our friend or our foe. So if we talk about that, when comparison becomes our friend, and I don't think so that comparison really bad, cause it can also make us to be motivate, it can also make us to improve the thing. Like for example, is someone is better in communication, someone is better in English, then maybe I will try that I would become like him or her. Or if someone is making better video, maybe I will take inspiration from him or her, and I will try to improve myself only. And it's not like being jealous that he or she is doing better. It's upon you that you are taking it like as an improvement or uh, what to say, as an comparison. So basically it also depends upon the person. If you are not you don't want to improve the thing which the other person is doing great or better than you, then comparison is bad for you. But if on the other hand you are doing better, you are trying to improve, you are comparing him in a good way, then it's an healthy comparison. So here it will become, and it will definitely become a good comparison. But on the other hand, if we will see, comparison can also be our foe, because it changes when we compare ourselves with someone else in the sense of jealousy. Like we just judge ourselves that, and we underestimate ourselves that we can't do this. Like the feeling becomes like this: I am behind, I can't do this, I can't reach that level. But these types of comparisons kills your motivation. It will never make you to reach at that level if you start comparing yourself like this. Like you are comparing someone's journey totally different. You are comparing someone's better day, someone's best moment from your ordinary day. You are comparing someone's years of hard work just starting for last week. You are comparing with someone who had done a lot of hard work to reach at that level. And that comparison is not fair, cause you both are not at equal level. If you both had started on the same day, then you can compare and then you can take inspiration from him or her. You can improve yourself, you can, if it's anything, you can be better in that from the other person from which you are comparing. So it is basically depends on the person is comparing in a good way or in a bad way. If the comparison is healthy, then it's definitely good. Why it will not? But if it is unhealthy comparison, that is totally wrong, because you are comparing in a totally different way. And here if we see her, then we can say that comparison is both our friend and foe, and it totally depends on the person. as I think. I'm not saying that comparison is good, or I'm not saying that comparison bad either. It is stays in between. And if it is stealing your if it is stealing your confidence, leave it. If it helping you to improve yourself, then keep it. And at the end, you don't have to become like someone else. You have to become better version of yourself. You have to become the better person than you were in the day you were at the day one. So, and it will become friend or it will become a foe. It totally depends on you. It depends on you that what you will make it. Ending with this, I think that is for today. And if you agree with me or if you don't, just comment me down below, because I'm just telling you the thoughts which I think. And yeah, that is for today, and see you in the next video. Sayonara.